Inside pass. Stolen there by Tagat. Tagat, dire-diretso si Tagat. Tagat! And basket is... Tabat scores. And this is an extra free throw here for Tabat. And almost! Tabat has the ball. Forward pass ito kay Cautivo. Cautivo pass ito kay Nabor. Balik kay Tabat for 2! 3 minutes remaining and 58 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa to. Sa third quarter pa tayo. 3-pointer by Tabat. Grabe, benas din sa 3. Against Ogwon. Pass ito kay Tabat for 2! Great job there by Tabat. Jim Bruno. Emergency pass to Tabat with a high in the sky play. What a play there by NSUC. Malakas yung pasa and Tabat nangunguna. Tabat for 2! Babalik tayo after short break. Able to control the ball game here for the NSU kasi napaka higpit ng depensa dito and a 3-pointer by Tabat. Perdido fakes, Perdido blocked by Tabat, no foul. And it's the pass here, the instant replay courtesy of the AFP Invitational Basketball Cup 2026 and that's the pasa dito kay Adan, pasa dito kay Lorona, blocked by Tabat. Kick out, Ed Mahilong for 3, short, loose ball, nakuha ni Hosol, ito nangunguna si Tabat, touchdown! The 50-50, so time has been called here, it's the instant DP Hosol, so to pass to nangungunang si Tabat for the easy 2.
Yun, pumasok yung kanang jump shot. Another fast break for CIDG, yes. The open man and yun, na-shoot ni Talipay. And here comes Tabat, no? I remember this guy who played in the UIC during in high school and college days and is one of the key player for the...
Ito, kita mo naman, ang box out dito.
Buzzer, timeout, or...
Mukhang na ano siya doon ni Rook Sabala.